Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update. Today is Friday, March 28th. Today there was three possible trades that were method trades that were mentioned in the room, and I'm going to let you know what they were. The first thing we did was we got long here, 8:33 Central Standard Time. Now the trade normally here is to get long at 1848. What I told people is beforehand, right before the market opened, I said if it gets up to 1848 quarter, we have the opportunity to get long at 1848. I said the more conservative thing to do, normally in this trade we would add at 1846. I said if you want to be more conservative since the market's open, there might be a lot more ups and downs, wiggles, waggles. Let's see, and we'll just get in at 1846. So we got in. Some of us got in at 1848. This all depends on how big of a size trader you are, what type of personality of a trader you are. But the highest you could have gotten is 1848. Those who got in 1848, I said I wanted to make sure that this held 1846. Normally we would add right away. Once this held 1846, you had to add at 1846, or it would be a new entry at 1846. Some people were still a little bit leery. I said if you don't want to add here and you want to be sure it's going, wait till it comes back up here, get back in at 1848. So some people were averaging at 1847, some were long as low as 1846, and some of them were in at 1848 on the second candle here. Those who waited, if they got in originally, they would have been averaging 1847. So we were long from here. We took it all the way up. The first target, major target, was 51 quarter. Next one was 450 to 5 quarter. I said anywhere in there would be a nice spot. And I said ultimately they want to go up to 59, but I put a target here of 57.50 to 850 as a nice spot, just because I thought there might be a little, wiggle waggle here and stuff. And we would have already had over 10 points in the trade at that point. So I said that was a nice spot. I said we're not going to get greedy over a point. It really looked like it was getting kind of tired over here. People were asking about shorts. I said absolutely not. It's too early enough. They still could go and hit that 59. Once they came up here, we got in there. Now, for people who got out early and wanted another entry, we did have another entry at 5 quarter. I'm sorry, at 55.50. Okay, that was at 9 o'clock Central Standard Time. I said not to take it originally. I said we want to wait to see what happens when it comes up. It came up to 575. There was a strong close at 5. I said, okay, if it comes back up again, if you guys want to get in, you can get in. Or we would do it as an add-on from down here if people still had contracts peeling off along the way. So it was either an add-on or a new entry, and we got in and took it up to that target there, so that was about another 3 points, about 2.5 points there, depending on where people got in, either as an add-on or a new entry. Now the market just went sideways here. Method creator Sam Goldberg came on and talked to us because we got a really good portion of this. People were getting anywhere from, with multiple contracts, people were getting anywhere from 5 to 10 points between the two trades. We don't want to rush into anything with a big uptrend. We did have another trade short here at 5 quarter. Sam said it was going to come down to 375. He was in the room at this time. He recommended that people take it on sim. Of course, we can do what we want, but he said just go into practice mode for sure, because we don't want to risk giving anything back from here. So we took a trade there, and that worked out for nice. He said it would come down to 375. Went down to 3 quarter, so 375s absolutely would have been filled, and that would have been about another 1.5 or so on that. And we ended the day. So we're going to come back and we're going to do it again tomorrow. And I'm sorry, not tomorrow, Monday. Today's Friday. I want to wish everybody a happy and safe weekend, and we'll see you guys back on Monday. Thanks.